What's up, guys? So wow, it is 90 degrees outside today, so it's a little warm in the Mustang, but I wanted to do a full review on RaceKrafters of Lancaster. So long story short, originally have taken the Mustang for cams that I had purchased from a guy in Canada. So took it in, and there's just so many issues with it. The cams wouldn't work no matter what. They tried, couldn't get it to work, so that was kind of a bust. So took it back to the guys, had long tube headers installed, a metal or aluminum thermostat housing unit, so, because the plastic ones on the Mustangs are junk. If you have a plastic one, get rid of it, get a metal one. Link will be in description where you guys can get that, as well as other mods that's on the car. So they did a great job. Very nice guys. They got a huge area. They can dyno tune cars. They do all kinds of different builds and different things, even inspections. And they are overall very knowledgeable and very nice, and you know, a place that I'm going to keep going back to, taking different vehicles there, and you know, see where we can take this thing. So my review would be probably an 8 to a 9 out of 10. The link will be in my description where you guys can check them out. Also, after this video, you guys can see a dyno tune. You know, the Mustang on the dyno after the long tube headers were installed. One of the clips is their clips, they recorded it, and one of the clips I used my phone, so my phone obviously couldn't pick up the sound as good as, you know, their recording. So check it out, see what you guys think. That is my official review. Alright guys, take care.